branches. Today, I ask you to bless me so that I may become a blessing. Lord, I commit myself to enrich others, but because I cannot give what I do not have, I commit myself to become rich. I commit myself to serve you and to serve the poor with my wealth. Today, I open myself to the abundance of your universe. Use us as a channel of love. Give us the ability to create wealth that will bless the others, the world. Increase our financial wisdom and expand our territories. We place our lives in your hands, Lord. Amen. So, kalakip ng panalangin na yon ay ating hangarin na maging maayos ang ating session for tonight. And doon pa sa tingin yung makakatulong itong session na to, you could just send them a message and ask them, encourage them to catch up. Total hindi pa naman tayo ganap na nagsisimula. We still have time to listen and enrich our understanding of the what is solid financial foundation is. Isa lang yan sa mga maaari nating matutunan for tonight. So to continue, bago pa man ang lahat, allow me to present myself. James Edward Taruk po. Ako po ay isang empleyado ng Arabian Centers, mga nagmamanage ng real estate. And I am a marketing director and an IMG member since 2015. Ako po ay naniniwala na tungkulin natin bilang mga OFWs na tulungan din ang ating mga kapwa OFWs. Yatagin natin sila sa tamang daanan para na maging financially capable tayo. Once we are financially educated, we can use this wealth to also empower others. So, who we are, no? So, kung kayo ay bibili ng isang product sa market, syempre, you do your own research. But dito, allow us to present ourselves. We are International Marketing Group, and our office is based in Makati. We also have some satellite offices sa Cagayan de Oro, Davao, Cebu, Hong Kong, Dubai, Taiwan, and Spain. Ito lang yung ating mga international branches. We are running a campaign of making 30 million Filipinos financially literate. So, meron kami tinatawag na 30M by 30, which is 30 million financially literate Filipinos by 2030. And as of now, as of April 26, 2024, meron na kaming 11,846,463. And the numbers continue to grow. Siguro kung meron kayong time mamaya, you can scan our QR code and share the campaign with your friends para naman na ma-achieve natin itong goal na to, no? Because it will become part of history and somehow legacy na rin natin, no? So we are International Marketing Group and we are celebrating our 22nd year sa market. Our goal is to continuously impact and change countless Filipino lives through financial education. So, if you're going to look around, napakadaming solidarin natin, hindi lang bilang OFWs. No, so if you look beyond now, siguro mga 5 to 10 years, we have an absolute challenging future. Kung susumahin mo, when you look around, unti-unti pinapalitan na tayo ng artificial intelligence. That's uncertain labor market. Napaka-advance na natin technology. Baka mamaya di ba nga, dahil sa AI ang mga trabaho ng accountants unti-unti lang na-automate, no? We also have the low savings and high debt, no? Maliit ang sweldo pero malaki ang pagkakautang, no? Kumbaga, hindi natin napaghahandaan ng ating retirement kasi end-to-end yung ating survival. Kung ano yung kinikita mo, yun lang yung pinabubuhay mo. The high cost of education, patuloy na tumataas ang tuition fee sa Pilipinas, hindi na paghahandaan ng iba sa atin yan. At yung isa, yung tumataas na cost of living. Siguro ramdam din nyo, especially dito sa Riyadh, nagtaasan yung renta, no, ng bahay. At dahil din sa VAT, medyo lumiliit yung buying power. what more sa Pilipinas, no? Kapag ka tumataas ang dollar, eh medyo humihina talaga ang peso. So ito lamang yung sa mga indicators na talagang we have a challenging future. Hindi lang challenging future, right now, pagka inanalyze nyo ang ating current situation, karamihan sa mga Pilipino, kino-consider nila yung mga anak nila as the retirement fund, no? Hindi nila pinaghahandaan yung pagkatanda nila dahil una, may prinsipyong pinag-aral kita, kailangan buhayin mo ako pagtanda bilang magulang mo, no? So napapasa sa mga younger generations yung responsibilidad na yon. Nagkakasakit at karamihan sa kanila ay namamatay dahil hindi sapat yung pera, no? Hindi nakakapag-save ng enough. That's why nadededo na lang, no? Imbes na napapagamot. And we might die soon, no? Sa ilan sa atin ang handa na harapin. It is a reality of our lives, no? Doon din tayo, ang ating destination is doon din tayo pupunta, no? But how prepared we are, that's a question that I leave to you. Non-preparation will hurt our family. Hindi lang ikaw bilang tao, papanaw, kundi yung pamilya mo. Kasi especially kung ikaw ang breadwinner, no? Sino na lang ang bubuhay sa kanila dahil wala na ang breadwinner. Napakaraming emergency natin sa buhay, especially sa Pilipinas na nasa ring of fire. Kabilat kanan ang typhoon ngayon, meron tayong El Nino, no? Ilan sa ating mga magsasakay na apektuhan. At kapag meron kakulangan sa pagkain, of course, it's a cycle, apektado rin tayo, no? So, these are the indicators that we have indeed a challenging situation sa buhay natin ngayon. Now, dadagdag pa itong mga kaguluhan nito. And we all know what is happening right now in the Middle East. Plus, meron tayong elections sa mga malalaking bansa. We have election in India, we have election in US that will really is pivotal dito sa ating regional stability, no? We also have the nakatatapos lang na pandemic at ang nakaka-concern dito is bawat disease na lang na ma-discover, eh dahil nga nanggaling sa pandemic, eh ganun na lang yung ating pagkatakot na baka maulit na naman ang pandemic. So these incidents are making our situation worse, no? So now, ang tanong ko sa inyo, gaano kayo kahanda if ever tawagin na tayo ni Lord soon, paano niyo haharapin yung pagkakataon na yun? Of course, kung ikaw ay mabait, alam naman natin diretso kayo sa langit. Pero what if kung medyo hindi kayo kabaitan, so paano na lang yung inyong maiiwan? Now, the good news is that you have actually the power to control your future. The future is in your hands. Napakalaki ng line dito, no? The future is in your hands. Hindi sa akin, hindi sa asawa ninyo. The future is in your hands. Kayo mismo. Now, if you want to be wealthy, don't let other people do it for you. Do it yourself. Sabi nga nila, if you don't know how to grow yourself financially, then people will hire you to do it for themselves. No? I-hire ka lang nila because bilang alipin ng 8-hour shift, no? Yung mga taong ganyan patuloy na yumayaman. Then ikaw, you don't know what to do. Kaya napipilitan ka na lang tagapin yung kapalaran na yon. You can be your own money manager. How? First, by understanding how money works. Paano ba nagtatrabaho ang pera? Ikaw ba ay nagtatrabaho para sa pera? O pwede namang magtrabaho ang pera para sa iyo? Which is the second call. Make money work for you. Napakadaling sabihin. And I know that you have a lot of questions than answers right now. So, ang goal ng session na ito is to give you realizations na hindi pa huli ang lahat. No? Hindi pa huli ang lahat. You can still work on a better future. But first, you should know how to control your future. So, ang aming panawagan sa inyong lahat ngayon take action because nobody owns your future except yourself. Build your future right now. So, bilang pagpapakilala, allow us to bring our ang ating mga allies or ating mga kakampi, because hindi lang kami to, but we have to bring you the personalities that who are helping IMG. First, let me present you our owners. We are led by world-renowned financial educators, si Sir Joen de las Peñas, Noel Arandilla, and Bart Borja. So saan ka nakakita na pinapakita natin kung sino yung nag-manage ng company natin, no? So these are the people who are behind the 22 years of IMG. Siyempre, hindi nagpapahuli si ating idol na Senator Rapi Tulfo. Alam niyo naman ito lagi na lang nagli-lead ng mga investigations. Kaya kung sa tingin niyo duda kayo sa IMG, then look at the people, the integrity of the people endorsing IMG. Nandiyan din si Ms. Corina Sanchez. Of course, sana all, nasa kanya na lahat, si Daniel Padilla bilang aming endorser ng aming 3-in-1 health insurance. At of course, the King of Talk, si Tito Boy Abunda. No, mawala man yung buhok niya, at least hawak niya ang future niya. Di ba? And many more personalities, no? So hindi lang itong isang tao, no? There are many people who are believing in the mission of IMG. And ang panalangin lang namin sana din kayo join our crusade. So bago kayo mag-join ng crusade na ito, allow us to present more about what IMG can do and what IMG is doing for the rest of the Filipino people. Now, sabi, ano ba pinunta nyo dito? Dahil napilitan kayo, dahil pinag-usapan kayo ng inyong kaibigan? Well, ako kasi I always look on what benefit will I get, no? So, allow us to at least increase your understanding of some financial concepts na sa tingin namin ay makakatulong sa inyo, no? We have 3. And unahin na natin itong solid financial foundation. Now, James, bakit solid financial foundation? Bakit hindi liquid? Bakit hindi gas? Kasi alam naman natin ng solid, no? Medyo insert lang ako ng new word. Solid, syempre nahahawakan, nararamdaman, nakikita, hindi ba? So, matibay, kumbaga. And just like building a house, hindi ka nagsisimula sa bubong or hindi ka nagsisimula sa dingding, no? You start at the foundation, no? Kung tatanggalin mo dito yung isa man dito sa blocks na to, it will not make a house even kasi may kulang na elemento. So, consider building a house by looking at this pyramid, no? So, alam naman natin ang pyramid nakatayo pa hanggang ngayon, although it's thousands of years already, no? So, hanggang ngayon nakikita natin ang beauty of the pyramids because the way it was built, it was really solid. Yun din ang gusto namin ituro sa inyo, to have a solid financial foundation. So, ano nga ba ito? There are 6 elements dito sa ating solid financial foundation. Unang-una sa lahat, yung increased cash flow. Now, nung una sinabi ko, alipin tayo ng 8-hour shift, ilang source of income meron ka ngayon? Sweldo? Okay, so tanggalin mo ang sweldo. Meron ka pa bang ibang cash source maliban sa sweldo? So wala na. So pagka tayo ay binigyan na ng kunyari, huwag naman sana mangyari termination letter. So ano na mangyayari? So doon na lang tayo sa end of service natin, no? So come to think of it, when we increase cash flow, dadami yung resources natin, no? Hindi dadami yung panggastos natin, dadami yung pwede nating magamit, no, for our future plans. So increase cash flow, hindi lang isang source of income. Next is, of course, we have to protect kung sino man yung ating source ng income, which is tayo, the breadwinners, no? And how do we do that? By having healthcare. We are fortunate bilang OFWs dito dahil meron tayong tinatawag na short-term healthcare. Ito yung Pawaniya, Bupa, no? What will happen kapag wala na to? Pag uwi na tayo Pilipinas, meron pa ba tayong pwedeng i-swipe? Meron pa ba tayong pwedeng ibigay na policy number sa hospital, no? Wala na. So that's the long-term care. Yung pa rin yung mag-guarantee na kahit magkasakit ka man, someone will still take care of you. Next is insurance. Katulad kanina sinabi ko, what if kung bigla lang tayong tinawag ni Lord, paano ng family mo? So you have to consider your income protection. Ito yung magsa-substitute sa iyo pagka nawala ka, no? Sinasabi diyan at least yung income protection mo is 10 times of your annual income. Kung ikaw ay sumisweldo ng 50,000 reals per year, so times 10, that is 500,000 reals, no? I think in that span of time, pwede nang makahanap ng trabaho yung next of kin mo, yung family member mo, o pwede nang siguro tapos ng pag-aaral yung anak mo. So in a matter of that span of time, pwedeng mag-bounce back na yung family mo. So that's what we call income protection, no? Hindi mababago yung lifestyle ng pamilya mo dahil nawala ka. And then fourth, while working on this, kailangan bawasan natin yung ating pagkakautang, no? Hindi yung, meron kang other source of income, kaya swipe si credit card, utang dito, no? Tabi-tabi, tamara, ayan. So, naiengganyo. So, as much as possible, debt, pagka pronounce mo yung debt, it sounds like debt, di ba? So, yun na lang isipin natin na kapag ikaw ay bound sa utang, para ka na ring may death sentence kasi baka mahirapan ka na makabawi. Next is emergency fund. So, si emergency fund, ito yung kalamitang hindi na i-consider ng mga OFWs. Kasi si emergency fund, nagiging Apple fund, nagiging gadget fund, no? So, emergency fund is usually at least 3 months to 6 months of your salary. Kung mas malaki pa dyan, mas maganda. At least mas malaki yung emergency fund mo. Ito lang yung fund na gagamitin mo kapag emergency. Hindi yung kailangan ng pantuition ng anak mo, emergency ba yon? That's never an emergency. Emergency yung unplanned, unwanted event in your life na kailangan mong pagkakasusan. No? And then finally, investment. Kapag meron ka na nitong lahat ng nasa baba, that's the time that you consider the investments. No? So, ang principle kasi ng iba is, may investment na ako kaya hindi ko na kailangan yung ibang aspect ng solid financial foundation. Hindi. Kasi pagka ikaw yung nagkasakit, so ang tendency mo, ibebenta mo yung mga investments mo. At dahil kailangan mo ng cash, ibebenta mo ng palugi yung investments mo, no? So, nasan doon yung hostisya, hindi mo na paghandaan. Bawat elements ng solid financial foundation is napaka-importante. Alisin mo man yung isa dyan, it will have an impact sa iyo, sa financial situation. So again, first financial concept is building a solid financial foundation. Sabi nga, like building a house, build it right, build it strong. And then the second concept is the rule of 72. I think familiar kayo, no? Dito, it was coined by Albert Einstein. Alam niyo naman, napaka-genius ni Albert Einstein na pati sa larangan ng financial education ay may contribution si Albert Einstein. So, simple lang itong rule of 72. Let me give you, sabi nila is 72 is the constant variable. No? So, 72, kung meron kang rate, interest rate man yan, or credit card rate man yan, just divide it, no? 72 divided by the rate, it will be the number of years to double, either your money or your debt. So napaka-useful nitong principle of rule of 72. For example, kung ikaw ay mag-iipon sa bangko, and we all know that the interest rate of banks in the Philippines is below 1%, no? Napakababa. So sabihin natin, for the purpose of discussion lang, 1%. So, sabi dito sa rule 72, 72 over the rate, the percentage, equals the number, equals the years to double your money. So, kung meron kang, nag-deposit ka ng 100,000 pesos, for example, gaano katagal magdo-double yung pera mo? Gaano katagal magiging 200,000 yung 100,000 mo? So, 72 divided by 1 equals 72. So, hindi natin alam kung buhay ka pa noon, no? So, hindi natin malalaman. Walang sino man sa atin ngayon ang makakapag-confirm na nag-double nga yung pera mo. No, come to think of it, kapag ka mataas yung rate of return ng investment mo, kunyari may mga stocks that are offering 10% no profit. So gaano katagal magdo-double yung investment mo? 72 divided by 10, it will just take 7.2 years or 7 years bago mag-double yung pera mo. So let me give you another example. No? Ito yung sinabi ko kanina. Tulad ng example ko kanina in the bank, how long will it take for 10,000 pesos to become 20,000 pesos? So 72 divided by 1, it will take 72 years. No, napaka-useful ng principle na to. Kunyari sa credit card. Okay, sa credit card lang. Usually sa Saudi Arabia 2.5%, no? So kung meron kang 2.5%, divide mo lang yun, divide mo ang 72 sa 2.5, ibig sabihin kikita ang bangko sa iyo, no? 72 divided by 2.5. So in just a matter of 28 years, yung inutang mo ay dodoble. O, ganun din kapag ka nangutang ka, gaano katagal mo mababayaran yung perang inutang mo. So there are many applications of Rule of 72 and it really works for us, no? So sabi nga, people who don't understand how money works, they end up working for money. People who understand how money works, they let money work for them. No? Simple lang. Hindi naman to itinuro sa atin nung college tayo or kahit sa basic education. Dito lamang natin nalalaman ang mga bagay nito, no? So, sabi nga nila kapag ang mga mayayaman sa Pilipinas, sila lang ang nakakaalam ng mga secrets to become rich. Hindi na i-share sa mga common masses. Kaya ang mga mayayaman sa atin, patuloy na nagiging mayaman because they know these things. Again, another example, kung ikaw ay nag-ipon ng 33 pesos a day in a span of 30 years, no, yung 33 pesos na yun a day, it will become 3.5 million because the power of compound interest, no? Interest ng interest. Kaya yung 33 pesos a day or 1,000 per month in 30 years, magiging 3.5 million. Kung alam mo lang where to put your money, where to invest, malaking tulong ito sa iyo. Now, the third concept, which is very intriguing para sa akin, is the X curve. You know? Basically, the X curve, it tells us about our responsibility in life. So sabi dito, there are two lines in our lives. First line is the responsibility line, and the second line is the money line. So, ang buhay ng tao ay divided into 4 stages, no? Nung bata ka pa, let's say, huwag naman yung masyadong bata, like 10. Noong let's say, pagka-graduate mo, and then you start looking for job, medyo madami na yung responsibility mo sa pamilya, no? Nandiyan na yung iaasa na sa'yo yung pagkain, yung bayad sa upa, yung kahit yung damit ng mga kapatid mo, of course, yung other expenses, pag-aaral ng mga kapatid mo, nandun na yung responsibility mo. So, habang bata ka pa, mataas na yung responsibility mo. Pero, wala kang pera. No? I mean, hindi wala kang pera. You are, kung ano man yung kinikita mo, hindi ganun kalaki because it goes to your expenses. So, yung money line mo, medyo mababa pa dyan, no? Sa stage na yan, sa stage 1. And then as you go on, nagkaroon ka ng pamilya, habang lumalaki yung pamilya mo, hindi mo na mamalayan nakapagtapos na ng pag-aaral yung panganay mo, tapos yung isa mong anak, nagkaroon na siya nagkaroon na ng trabaho, 'di ba? Nakakatulong na sa pamilya, 'di ba? Then at one point in your life, nagko-cross yung responsibility line and money line. Habang bumababa yung responsibilities mo, it is expected na tumataas yung money line mo, no? So, dahil unti-unti na nababawasan yung responsibility mo, syempre hindi mo na tapos mo nang paaralin yung anak mo, nabayaran mo na yung mga mortgage mo, yung mga loans mo, no? You are working on to increase your money line, no? Tapos bumababa na rin yung responsibility line mo. This X curve, it answers 2 critical questions. Actually, tatlo yan eh. But for the purpose of discussion, two critical questions. These are, what if I die too soon? So, sino na lang yung magte-take care of the responsibilities for my family? Sino? Hindi naman pwede si kumpare, o kaya si kumare, o kaya yung kapitbahay, kasi hindi naman nila responsibility yon. The second critical question is, what if I live too long? Okay, meron ba akong enough resources to support me? No? And in between this, the X curve, what if I get sick? So yun yung pangatlong critical question, what will happen if I get sick? So ito yung mga questions that X curve concept tries to answer. So ngayon, nasa anong stage na ba kayo? Stage 1, yung pasimula pa lang kayo. Stage 2, yung medyo nakakaraos naman. Stage 3, yung medyo nakakaluwag-luwag na ng konti. At yung stage 4, yung wala ka na masyadong responsibility, kumbaga nag-enjoy ka na lang. No? So, saang stage kayo ngayon? Kasi kung right now, nasa stage 1 pa lang din kayo, I think you really need to work on your money line. No? Para guarantee na pagdating mo ng stage 4, para guarantee na umabot ka man lang ng stage 4 when you enjoy the fruits of your labor, sabi nga nila. So, do you know na base sa survey, ang mga nakakatanda sa atin sa Pilipinas, 2% lang ang masasabing financially independent. Anong ibig sabihin nito? 2% lang ang nakapaghanda sa kanilang retirement. No? So, meron tayong tinatawag na retirement crisis sa Pilipinas. Kasi nga, yung 98% ng paniniwala ng mga tao sa atin, nandiyan naman yung anak ko, pinagtapos ko naman siya ng pag-aaral, no? Siya nang bahala sa akin pagtanda. May ipon naman ako ng konti, 100,000, siguro okay na yan hanggang sa tumanda ako, no? So 20% are still working, kahit na matanda na sila, kahit malabo na mata nila, kahit na nanginginig na yung mga kamay nila, they're still working. Kasi yung reality, ayaw akong bigyan ng anak ko ng pera. I really have to work. May mga apo ako, kailangan ko pa rin magtrabaho. I really have to provide for my family. Then yung 30%, nako, umaasa na lang sa limos, sa charitable institution, no? At yung 45%, the bulk of these people, umaasa sa mga anak. Kaya the cycle of poverty in the Philippines keeps on rotating and rotating. Kasi ganito yung prinsipyo, ganito yung paniniwala natin, no, sa Pilipinas. Na dito sa IMG, we are trying to change. Kasi kung hindi mababago ang paniniwala nito, the ravaging cycle of poverty will continue to wreak havoc, and not only in our economy but in our culture. Nakakasira ang ganitong kultura ng Pilipino. So let's try to be part of that change. So, konting review dyan. I hope that you have understand the solid financial foundation, the rule of 72 that is really applicable in most aspect of our lives, and then yung X curve that will give you realizations, no, kung gaano ka-importante yung responsibility at yung ating paghahanda sa ating pagtanda. So now, I have another good news for you. Meron kang dalawang options sa life. Now, may pangatlo pero huwag mong piliin yung pangatlo kasi yung pangatlo is yung susuko ka na lang, no? We have two good options for you. First is work for the money until you die. So, iba sa atin hanggang kailan ka magtatrabaho dito sa Caribbean ng Saudi Arabia? Hanggang kailan ka magiging alipin ng remittance? Hanggang kailan ka magiging alipin ng Saudi Riyals? So, until when? Hanggat hindi ka pa nagkakasakit ng malubha, hindi ka uwi ng Pilipinas. Come on, this is the common story for OFWs. But there's another option. Let money work for you and relax. No? So, ang daling sabihin, pero I hope that unti-unti na nagkakaroon ng realization sa inyo, unti-unting nabubuksan ng inyong pananaw. We all know this. Yung iba siguro sa inyo is just a review for all of you. But we keep on reinforcing na let's change our way of thinking. And the solution is learn how to understand how money works. No? Sabi nila, merong prosperity formula. So, hindi ko muna sabihin ko ano itong 10, 20, 17 na ito. No? From the picture, you will understand. No? Kapag meron kang, may pera ka, siyempre, bawasan mo muna yung ito, remittance siguro yan, no? Kasi love remittance yan sa family mo, then yung savings, and then expense. So, iba kasi sa atin, nauuna yung expense bago yung savings. No? Sabi dito sa prosperity formula, unahin mo muna yung savings. And then the rest, spend it. That's how rich people think. No? Ganun din ba kayo? No? Inuuna nyo ba muna yung savings bago yung expense? Or immediately savings? So 100% yung income equals 100% expense, zero savings. That's not prosperity. No? Sabi dito, 10, 20, 70. So out of 70, out of 100% income, at least meron kang itinatabi na tithes, no? Or ito yung pagkakawang gawa, ito yung binibigay mo sa mga nangangailangan, sa charity, or it could be also additional to your savings. 20% is allotted for the savings, no? And then the rest, yung 70%, doon mo na gagastusin for your expenses. So 10, 20, 70 equals 100%. Again, 10 for tithes, 20% for savings, and 70% for your expenses. No? Kung ikaw ay very strict sa formula na yan, I think it will really help you, no? Create more savings for you. What we're asking you is to decide now. Hindi lang yung sapat yung nakikinig tayo. There must be some action to be done. No? Mahirap din kasi yung, okay, na-realize ko yan, tama naman yung sinasabi mo. Pero, walang gawa. So, kung walang gawa, walang mangyayari, walang mababago. So, let's act now, let's decide now, because the future is in your hands. So, let me present to you the IMG. No? Kung sa ibang kumbaga, kung nag-member ka sa gym, no, bayad agad, di ba? Pero you really have to work for you to get the body that you want, no? No, parang dito sa IMG pag nag-member kayo, okay, most of it are given na, no? Nandiyan na. So what are these things? First, meron kayong 600K personal accident insurance, no? As OFW. Personal accident insurance kung may mangyari man sa'yo, proven na ito ay ang yung pangyayari na yun ay aksidente, then you'll get 600,000 pesos as insurance. Now, for those Philippine members, medyo nakakaangat-angat tayo kasi 100K lang sa kanila. By being a member, you have automatically entitled to the 50,000 burial fund cash assistance. Okay, we call it Fidelity Insurance. Kasama na yan as a bundle. Meron ka na ring 1,000 pesos na initial Soldido Mutual Fund. So we are teaching you on how to start, saving, investing through mutual fund. And how we do it is to encourage you na meron ka ng pang capital, no? Meron na provided na yun sa babayaran mo as 1,000K initial Soldido Mutual Fund investment. Calamity loan assistance up to 50K. Then we offer also unlimited medical consultation because we have our Kaiser Medical Centers. No, we also provide yearly vision care eye frames, isang piraso, isang taon. Meron din tayong mga legal consultation, at least 2 cases per year. No, big discount in car purchase, discount on car, house, travel insurance. Kung kayo ay mayroong housing loan, and we all know that kailangan ng MRI or yung insurance, car insurance, you can be an agent to yourself. No? I think, bukod pa dun sa medyo kikita ka, alam mo na insured yung property mo. You can also avail real estate purchase, no? May mga partner tayong mga real estate companies and you can have a discount on those purchases. We also have ang kapartner ng ating nung una yung Burial Fund Cash, kapartner niya is yung Everest Memorial Services which provides funeral concierge, no? Kaya kung ikaw ay hindi nakaranas ng wedding concierge, at least man lang sa funeral concierge naranasan mo ang pagkalinga at pagmamahal ng ng IMG sa iyo, no? And then going back, meron tayong pre-HMO for financial educators, discounted asset preservation services. Ito yung natawag natin kung may mga marami kayong properties, tapos sa tingin nyo ay mag-away-away yung pamilya nyo, you can avail this asset preservation services para walang away. Kasi the moment na nag-away sila, it will entail cost sa part nyo. No? Kung merong inheritance na pagdidesisyonan, it could be better kung meron kayong APS, no? That is Asset Preservation Services. Of course, pwede rin kayong kumita dito, no? At pwede rin kayong mag-travel. Sagot na ng IMG yan. Kung ganun kayo kasipag. Right now, meron kaming campaign sa Vietnam. Kung fascinated kayo sa traveling, you can combine business and leisure, no? Trabaho, tapos meron kayong free ticket going to the convention, which is mangyayari ngayon sa Vietnam. And of course, there are more than 60 benefits ng ating IMG membership. Mga e-workshops, no? Meron tayong mga certification also. Kung gusto niyo talagang, if you see yourself as a if you can see a career in the financial education, you can be associate financial planner. May mga examination at certification tayo na provide. Ka-partner natin yung ating mga tie-up entities, no? So, paano ba maging member, James, sa IMG, no? This is a lifetime investment, no? One-time lifetime investment. Kung ikaw ay nasa Pilipinas, the membership costs 6,000, no? And then if you are an OFW, there is a $185 one-time international. Masasabi ko na as international member, you have, based on what we presented to you, medyo nakakalamang yung ating benefits. Medyo mahal siya than the Philippine membership, but then in terms of benefit, mas marami, no? And then there is also an accreditation fee every year of 1,500 for you to become an agent. At least this is what we call the parang accreditation mo, no? That you are allowed to sell the products of IMG. Hindi lang naman Kaiser ang products ng IMG. On the next slides, you will see. Now, doon sa mga nagdududa, the best defense against doubters is evidence. And so far, at sa ating group dito sa Saudi Arabia, we call our family B1. We have proofs of claims, no? Ito na yung mga nakapag-claim sa atin. And they're all from B1 family, no? So ito yung mga conversations nila and even pictures claiming the check. So dito sa picture, hindi ganyan kalaki yung check, no? So baka asahan nyo ganyan kalaki yung check. It's just a ceremonial, claim. But what we're trying to say is that it works, no? Totoo to at contrary to what other non-believers say na scam yan, multi-level networking yan. No, but because we give you proofs that we are really serious in our business. And the IMG B1 family, ito yung mga claimants natin, no, for the Fidelity Life Insurance. Ito yung sasabi ko kanina na 50,000 which is bundled na doon sa membership ninyo. So, saan ka nakakita na yung membership nyo may mga kaakibat ng mga iba't ibang financial products, no? Dito lang yun sa IMG. At least hindi ka lang problema, no? If your family decides, the moment na tinawag ka na ni Lord, at sinabing, sige, burol na natin si ate, si kuya, at least you have extra 50,000. So, isang kamay naman ng Diyos mo kukunin yung 50,000 na burial assistance, no? So, para sa atin, sa international members, meron tayong 100K. This is good news, no, sa international members. Okay, this is a good quote from Joel Osteen. If you want to reap financial blessings, you have to sow financially. Bakit namin kayo ni-encourage maging member ng IMG? It's because we believe that the remainder of the financial blessings are about to come, no? You are about to reap the financial blessings. Siyempre, lahat naman tayo nag-i-invest sa ating mga decisions sa buhay. And if you ever consider to become one of us, then nakita niyo naman kung gaano ka affordable ang ating membership. Hindi lang doon natatapos yan, because this might be career change for all of you. Kung nakikita ninyo, kumbaga nagpe-present lang kayo, natututo kayo while sharing the mission. And then, of course, with sharing of the mission comes commission. So later on, we will tackle about that one. Okay. So the second part of the presentation is Kaiser. We call it Kaiser Ultimate Health Builder. So kung di kayo makonbinse ni Daniel Padilla, sana man lang sa benefits na ipipresent ilalatag ko sa inyo, makonbinse kayo that Kaiser is a need for your family members. No? Bakit nga ba kailangan? Going back to the solid financial foundation, tatlong element ng Kaiser ang masosolve natin. Now, we have the healthcare. Sabi natin kanina, you need to protect yourself. And not only short, although there's a short, but Kaiser is more of a long-term care. No, pagbalik nyo sa Pilipinas, ito yung ating tawaniya, kumbaga. And then it will answer also the insurance. Kasi while you are on the 20-year coverage, no, meron tayong insurance, income protection nyo. Kung may mangyari man sa inyo, ma-disable kayo permanently or kunin kayo ni Lord, at least meron kayong term life insurance na makukuha. And then finally, investment. No? Other than the term life insurance, meron kayong guaranteed certain amount of cash na makukuha once the policy matured. No? So it answers the key elements of the solid financial foundation if you have one for yourself or for your family. So paano ba tong Kaiser James, no? The ultimate Kaiser Health Builder. So kung ikayo ay medyo taong tarantahin na kapag nakakita lang ng mga malalaking figures natataranta na, no? So don't be. So allow me to sabi nila, let me bring out my being a Toastmaster, dichotomize daw. Let me break down, yun, sige, I'll use the layman's term, break down the Kaiser Healthcare Builder. So Kaiser, what we're presenting you now is an example of K100 plan. So tatanungin niyo ako, bakit tinawag na K100? You know, the numbers in the plan name 100 refers to the benefit value. So, ibig sabihin, this 100 stands for 100,000, no? Which is, that's what we call long-term care benefit value, which is 100,000. So, ano ba tong 100,000 na to? Simulan ko na dito, total, in-explain ko naman yung name ng plan, no? This long-term care benefit value is the amount that you will get after the maturity of your plan. Kaya ma-max out yung plan ninyo, kaya hindi nyo magamit, this is a guaranteed value for you. Now, let me divide the plan into 3 periods. The first 7 years is what we call the paying period. So, ito ay health fund. You are building it. No? So first 7 years, this is what we call the paying period or the investment period. Kaya nga health fund, you are preparing for something. Kaya on the first 7 years, wala kang gagawin kundi magbayad lang. But, while paying, there are some benefits that you would like to avail. You have free annual physical examination, no? Ano ba tong mga coverage ng physical examination? You have chest x-ray, you have, kung 35 years ka na, pwede kang what do you call it, ECG, no? And there are also other dental benefits like prophylaxis, like unlimited tooth extraction. Pag nag-decide ka na pabunot mo lahat ng ngipin mo, sagot siya ng Kaiser, no? Tapos kung dental checkup also is included in the annual physical examination. Sa babae, meron tayong what do you call it? What's that operation, Nay?
Pap smear.
Pap smear. Hindi kasi ako babae kaya hindi ko alam, no? So pap smear sa mga babae for 35 years and above, no? As I mentioned, free basic dental, 7 years during the paying period. Meron din tayong term and accident insurance, total and permanent disability. What does it mean? No? During the paying period, kung may mangyari man sa inyo, you become disabled, naputulan ka ng kamay, ng dalawang kamay, naputulan ka ng paa, hindi ka na makapag-work, or wag naman sana, kunin ka ni Lord, you are entitled to the term life insurance, no? Other than that, you also have the annual benefit limit, which is sa particular sa plan nito, the annual benefit limit which I mentioned is 60K, no? So ito na, nagsisimula na tayong mag-mention ng mga figures. Other than that, you also have access in 2,000 accredited hospitals and 12,000 clinics and doctors, no? If you are interested, if you are very particular doon sa lugar ninyo sa Pilipinas, baka walang hospital. We have a list of accredited hospitals, and these are major hospitals in that in per region, no? So be assured that we have 12,000 clinics and doctors na partners ng ating Kaiser. Ngayon, kaso may mga restriction lang dito during the paying period, no? Bawal yung pre-existing, bawal yung buntis o pregnancy, bawal yung outpatients, and ang ating kadil lamang is do sa accredited hospital, no? And for Philippine members, kailangan bayad kayo ng 1-year premium bago nyo ma-avail itong mga services na to during the paying period. Now, what happens after the 7 years? Ito na yung exciting part. Papunta na tayo dun sa exciting part. So what will happen on 8th, 9th, 10th, hanggang sa 20th year? This is what we call the waiting period. So meron ka ng medical fund kasi nabayaran mo na yung for 7 years, no? So pwede na yung mga pre-existing conditions. Pwede na rin critical illness. Ngayon, pwede ka nang magpa-check up sa mga non-accredited hospital or clinics. Pwede na rin yung inpatient or outpatient, no, consultation. Kasama na rin yung maintenance or mga regular medicines ninyo. And of course, kung nag-decide kayo magbuntis, kasama na rin yung pregnancy, no? So ito na yung nabago na yung mga benefits during the waiting period. What will happen after 20 years? During maturity and beyond, no? Doon ba natatapos yan sa maturity or pa pwede natin extend hangga't buhay at hangga't kaya mo pa, no? So ito na yung exciting part. If ever that you decide not to utilize yung iyong plan during the span of 20 years, bilang incentive sa inyo, meron tayong tinatawag na additional yearly healthcare benefit, HBL, no? So, I will not go into details na, but just to bring to your attention, meron tayo ditong figure na 1,166,169. So, this is the possible money that you can take after the maturity, which is 20 years. Provided that, unang-una, you did not file a claim during the paying period and you did not file a claim during the waiting period, which is the 13 years. Bakit ganun na James? Bakit kaya nga ako kumuha ng insurance, di ba, para magamit? Kaya nga siya tinatawag na incentive, no? Bonus. It incentivizes you for being healthy. Dahil hindi mo siya ginamit, you made yourself healthy. Ito yung incentive mo or bonus mo kasi you kept yourself healthy. Now, of course, no, pwede mong gamitin yan, no? Pwede mong gamitin yan, especially during the waiting period. But chances are, mababago yung computation mo, no? But what is guaranteed, no, is that you will get the long-term care benefit value kahit na max out mo yung iyong plan, no? At least merong pasasalamat sa iyo si Kaiser na thank you for using Kaiser, you have 100,000 cash at bilang pasasalamat sa iyo. No. Now, di lang doon nagtatapos sa maturity. Dito sa example na nakita ninyo, the plan holder took or kumbaga, bought the plan at the age of 22. So, ang kanyang maturity is 42. So, batang-bata pa ang 42, no? Kasing edad ko lang, no? So, between 42 to 60, marami pang pwede mangyari sa buhay niya. So, this can go beyond 42 years o pwede pa nating i-invest yung, kasi at the end of the maturity, you have two options. Kunin mo 100% yung cash mo or kunin ko lang yung 50% and the rest pwede ko pa siyang iiwan sa Kaiser, let it grow until I reach 65 or even 70, no? Kung hangga't kaya ko pa, hangga't gusto ko pa, no? So, yun yung sinasabing and beyond. So, I hope this Kaiser gives you the nutshell of how interesting and how exciting this plan is for all of us. Now, this is the breakdown of the plans. Kung ikaw ay 10 to 40, ang pinakamababang plan namin na pwedeng ibigay sa'yo is K45. Pero, syempre, ang halaga ba ng plan mo is 2,647 monthly. Di ba? Mas mababa para namang binarat mo yung sarili mo. So, this is from K45 to K1 million. Ito yung maximum, no? So, ito ideal to sa mga may mga anak na age 10, no? So, bata pa lang, habang bata pa lang sila, hindi pa sila gano'ng nagkakasakit. Pagdating nila ng maturity, let's say binigyan mo na ng insurance yung anak mo at the age of 10, pagdating niya ng 30 years, hindi niya alam na meron na pala siyang 1 million. Example lang naman yun, no? Hindi guaranteed yung 1 million. Example lang naman yun. Depende sa plan na kukunin mo. Then 41 to 50, we have the K60 as the minimum. The minimum. Of course, again, the maximum is K1 million. And for 51 to 60, meron tayong K75. Pansinin niyo habang tumatanda tayo, medyo lumalaki yung plan. Kasi nga, of course, pagdating ng mga ganyang edad, dyan na yung ang pabango mo na ay katingko, o kaya ako, white flower, yan. So, napapalitan na yung pabango natin. And alam naman natin sa Pilipinas, kapag ikaw ay pumunta ng hospital at, Sir, naamoy ka nilang amoy white flower, nako, ano kaya sakit nito? Ano kayang, 'di ba? Ang dami ng indicators na husgahan ka na. Sa Pilipinas pa, mga judgmental ang mga tao diyan, no? So, habang tumatanda ka, lumalaki na yung plan mo, no? So, wag mong tipirin yung sarili mo, no? Kung ikaw ay una pa lang ay kumbaga nagkamali ka, ay kasi nung time na yun K45 lang kaya ko, Get one more, yung medyo deserve mo na, no? Dahil siyempre nakaluwag-luwag ka na. I know some members na matapos nilang hulugan yung kanilang small plan, kumuha pa sila ng mas malaki. Because that's just how they value themselves, no? Sa tingin nila, I deserve this because pagtanda ko, ayoko na maiasa sa mga anak ko. So that's how retirement is for most of us. No? So what we recommend is the K100. Ito yung parang, okay, kung hindi mataas, hindi mababa, tama lang, sakto lang na, o pwede na, marangal ka nang magre-retire, kumbaga. So, here, monthly siya, 5,982, no? Tapos, ang actual plan niya, total membership contribution is 411,750. At the date of maturity, pagtapos ng 20 years, kung hindi mo ginamit yung iyong, hindi ka nag-file ng claim, the chances are you will get almost 1.2 million, no, guaranteed cash for you. Tapos ang insurance coverage mo pa, yung sinasabi natin kanina, kung ma-disable ka permanently or kunin ka na ni Lord, mamatay ka, you are covered by 450,000 term life insurance, which is yung sinasabi natin kanina, income protection. Siguro matutuwa na yung family mo na makakatanggap yung beneficiary mo ng 450,000. And gaya na sinabi ko kanina, maximum is K1 million. Of course, mas malaki, more chances of winning daw. So, more chances of leaving pala, hindi winning. So, just to remind you na meron tayong 2 years na contestability period. Ano ba ito? Kunyari, kakukuha mo lang ng plan mo, 1 year pa lang, no? Tapos nag-file ka na ng claim or nag-file ka na ng death claim, no? So, the policy, the Kaiser has a clause sa kanilang insurance policy na meron tayong 2 years, no? They have the right to investigate kung legit ba yung iyong claim, no? So, in that 2 years, kailangan matapos mo muna yung contestability period bago nila i-award yung claim mo. So just be reminded. And of course, hindi meron itong policy fee na 500 pesos. Napakababa para lang ilang reals lang to, no? So for a total of 7 years, meron tayong 3.5 na policy fee, no? So kung kukuha kayo sa unang beses idadagdag yung 500 pesos, pero sa susunod hindi na until next year na ulit. So thank you. That's the second part of our presentation, which is the Kaiser International. Again, Kaiser is your first name in healthcare. Tayo lang yung tayo lang yung prominent or pioneer sa healthcare. And strange that a lot of HMOs are using our model na in the Philippines. Yung mga dating insurance lang ngayon ay nagiging bundle na, may kasama ng health fund, ganyan-ganyan. So trust only Kaiser because this is the first name in healthcare. Now, ito yung sasabi ko kanina, if you will join our campaign, which is 30M by 30, just labas nyo na yung camera ninyo, no? Tapos picturean nyo na tong QR code, and then you will be directed to the link. So you will be asked to sign up. Tapos meron kayong, makakatanggap kayo ng 20,000 na free campaign and protect personal accident insurance. So how it works, medyo mahaba yung mechanics, no? But just I encourage you to scan the QR code and makikita nyo yung instructions doon. Okay? So now this is the third part of the presentation, the fast track. So dito yung part na tatanungin niyo ko what it is for me. Ano ba mapapala ko dito sa IMG? Bukod doon sa mga benefits na nilatag namin sa inyo, other than this can be the source of passive income. Di ba sabi nga natin the solid financial foundation, you have to increase our cash flow. So this is one way of increasing our cash flow. So allow us to give you good opportunity or better opportunity other than your salary. No, again, we are IMG. We are one of the biggest and fastest growing financial services marketing company based in the Philippines with branches in Macau, Taiwan, Middle East, Europe, USA, Canada, and we are growing. We are going worldwide. Our three trust or pillars, we educate, we provide knowledge, we also help in execution because we provide the platform to execute the knowledge. What do you mean by that? Meron kayong access sa mga maraming financial products ng IMG. And the third trust is the entrepreneurship. We make every member as much as possible an entrepreneur. Pwede kayong maging CEO in your own terms dito sa IMG because we provide the best business opportunity. I hope this is not just a marketing lines, but this is really a reality that is happening, no? Marami sa amin ang naging CEO na, no? Marami sa amin yung nadagdagan, yung na-expand yung kanilang network, and they have their own financial centers now back in the Philippines. So we provide total financial solution because we are a company of a total financial solution. Our crusade is to deliver the world's financial wake-up call dahil maraming mahirap sa Pilipinas and we know the reasons why they are poor. We are sounding the alarm. We want to wake up as much as we can, especially ating mga OFWs because they have the opportunity to change the situation back in the Philippines. Changing people from being a spender to saver and then eventually to investor. Sabi nga, we provide the chance to become entrepreneur. So dito yon sa IMG. Our vision is to create new industry where everyone is able to earn what the wealthy people are earning. No, limitless ang pwede nyo kitain dito sa IMG as long as masipag kayo, as long as you know how to take care of your team, you look after the needs of your members, then I think you can be the one of you get to learn what are the secrets of the wealthy people, bringing the secrets of the wealthy people to all. This is our vision because everyone has the right to become wealthy if they have the right information. Sa tamang kaalaman, maaari tayong yumaman. O, di ba? Translated sa Filipino, di ba? Sa tamang kaalaman, pwede tayong yumaman. Our mission is to help create wealth for families. Sabi nga nila, naniniwala kami that there should be no families left behind. Walang maiiwanan. Lahat ay financially educated sa IMG. Now, how does IMG Business Management System work? Ito na. So, allow me to present you the many financial products of IMG. Once you become a member, you have access to major providers. We have healthcare. Ang unang pangalan dyan is Kaiser. We also have the life insurance. No, we have Fidelity. We have Manila Bankers Insurance. We have the investment arm. So ito na, baka familiar kayo dito, Rampber, Atram, no? We also have the real estate partners. We have the SMDC, the Ayala Land, the MCI, and the latest addition is the Rampber Realty. We have the general insurance. Ito yung sasabi ko kanina na kung meron kayong housing loan and nangangailangan ng fire insurance, you can get yourself insured from these partners. Bolt, we have the Standard Insurance, MacPray, Malay Insurance, UCPB Gen. And finally, our allied services. Ito yung Kaiser Medical Center, Everest Memorial Concierge, and the RFP. Ito yung mga nag-certify if you want to be associate financial planner. No? So marami tayong tie-ups, marami tayong sister companies na nag-provide ng mga financial products. We don't sell mutual funds. All mutual funds are sold by Rampber Financials. No? Just a disclaimer. Now, the IMG business model, here, ikaw ay entrepreneur. And by being entrepreneur, you build your own business at your own time. Kumbaga, alam naman natin na tayo ay may mga kanya-kanya tayong trabaho. So, sometimes we do it after work and you can work at your own time. Malay nyo, ito ng IMG yung magpapatigil sa inyo maging OFW because you know already the secrets. You can start your own financial center. You are not working for an insurance or investment company. Wala tayong employee working relationship dito, no? You are not an employee. Dahil nga wala naman that relationship does not exist here. So there is no quota. Baka sabihin nyo kasi, kailangan makakota. Although there are ways on how to grow in IMG. Later on, i-discuss natin yan. You work at your own pace, at your own time. You work at flexible schedule. And also, unlimited territory and income. You can build as big as you want. Kunyari, may kaibigan kayo sa Malta o kaya sa, let's say, sa Finland, no? So, that can be your territory as long as you want, no? You can build in any city, in any country around the world. So, walang chartered territory dito na, hoy, kay ano yan, kay MD, ano yan. So, walang ganun, no? As long as fair yung inyong pag-conduct ng IMG business. So, how do we compensate, no, our members, especially those hardworking members of the new industry? So, ito na yung ating ladder of growth sa IMG. First, you become a member, you join, member ka lang, no? And if you want to grow and when you turn the mission, and that's where you start earning commission. Eto na. You become associate. That's the next step by joining, by owning, and sharing. Now, joining means, of course, you become IMG. Tapos owning, you need to at least avail any financial products such as Kaiser, no? And then share. So, kailangan i-share ninyo, no? So, meron tayo ditong 20% at stake, no, as possible earning for you, no? So 20% na pwede mong kitain dun sa those people who will believe sa ating mission. Then hindi naman, those people who you will bring into the mission, because we wanted this mission, syempre, to incentivize you, no, we will give you 20%. And then, hindi lang doon natatapos yun, no? So, you aspire to become marketing director. That's where you will earn 37% na. So, kunyari, meron kayong nakapag-recruit kayo ng associate, no? So, yung si associate, meron 20%. Meron ka pa ding 17% doon kay associate if they will follow the lead, no? So how to become marketing director? 9, 9, 30. These are the numbers that you need to remember. 9 own, 9 join, then 9 own, and then 30 days. So kailangan lahat ito maganap sa loob ng isang buwan, no? So yung isang buwan magsisimula siya sa first day na nagpasok ka, no? Nagpasok ka ng member o kaya nagpasok ka ng Kaiser. So make sure that everything counts din sa 30 days mo. Then after na-bore ka na kasi sobrang dami mo ng prospect, yung gusto mo na maging senior marketing director, that's where you will earn 47%. So medyo mahirap na siya ng konti. 30 join, 30 own in 90 days. So 3 buwan naman yan. Hindi naman yan isang buwan, no? So this is how you start your business. Of course, ang lahat ng aspiration natin is to become senior marketing director. Of course, ano ba yung 47%? Kung ano ba 47% ng 1,000? Ay, wala nakikinig. 47% ng 1,000 ay 470. So ano ba yung 470 na madadagdag sa sa packet mo, no? Na nag-share ka lang, you join and you own a product, no? So come to think of it, kung 30 yon, 470 times 30, James, parang ang laki na ng pera, no? So parang ganun. So just think of it as an entrepreneur, no? This can be a good opportunity for all of you. Other than that, meron pa kayong override commission. So ito nga sasabi ko kanina, if you're MD tapos ginawa mong associate si member, meron ka pang 17% na makukuha from the associate. Now kung SMD ka, nakapag-gawa ka ng associate, nakapag-convert ka ng isang associate to become MD, on top of it, meron kang 27 and then 10%. So ilan yon, no? Bukod pa doon sa iyong kung ikaw rin ay nagre-recruit pero kang 47%, tapos yung mga legs mo ay masisipag, so that's how we develop earnings here in IMG. You can build much bigger based on your effort and your goals. So meron pa tayong royalty income, no? So talaga naman, up to how many levels? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 levels to. Hanggang doon sa kaduluduluhan, no? Pwede kang kumita ng 0.5%, no? So mantakin mo yan kung kung ikaw ay SMD now, tapos nakapag-produce ka ng another SMD, tapos si SMD nakapag-produce ng another SMD. Paano yung kanyang earnings, no? Napakalaki ng opportunity. And then these are the ranks in IMG. Of course, you start as associate, then you become marketing director, SMD, EMD. Meron tayong tinatawag na green jacket because literally, nakasuot sila ng green jacket. Hindi lang siya, of course, hindi lang siya jacket, but it's a stature here in IMG. And then after that, CEO ka na, you can, sabi nga natin kanina, di ba, you can be your own CEO of your company. And then EVC or Executive Vice Chairman. And then just like Tito Joey and Naites, they are now the Senior Executive Vice Chairman. So naabot na nila yung rurok. I don't know lang kung meron pang mas tataas dito. Siguro Chairman's Council na siguro ang susunod doon. Correct me, Nay, correct me if I'm wrong. Because you will not correct me if I'm correct. Right? Okay, so yun na. And then, we have the ring. Okay, these are the Lord of the Rings. Natakin naman kung kayo ay nakapag-produce ng 100,000 earnings. So, isa sa mga ring na to ang pwede niyong makuha. And this is a customized ring. Nakalagay dito yung pangalan ninyo. And it's really made of the precious metal na nakikita nyo dito. So, we have different kind of rings. No? So, iba't ibang may sapphire, mayroong emerald. Hindi ko mabasa dito yung mga pangalan nila, but I'm just guessing. Sapphire, emerald. May diamond ba, Nay?
Yes, black diamond.
Black diamond, no? Oo. Sa amin kasi sapphire ring lang eh. So, kala nanay, kala Tito Joey. Anong ring ninyo, Nay?
Ruby ring.
Ruby ring. So, ang ruby ring, it means 250,000 ba? Or
That's 2.5 million in 1 year.
okay, so nakapag-generate sila ng income na 2.5 million pesos in 1 year, and that's why they got the ring. So, ayan. So, ito lang yung how IMG motivates you to work hard and harder sa inyong career. Now, finally, as a parting word, it is our decision to start learning, duplicate our leaders, run the system, and become wealthy forever. So, what we're trying to accomplish here is to end the cycle of poverty. It will start from ourselves, no? And it will start by understanding how things work, especially sa money. Kaya kung inyong kung tayo papalarin, we just need to join our mission and bring more people into the mission. Kasi that's how we're going to combat the cycle of poverty sa Pilipinas. Yun lamang po, magandang gabi, and if there are any question, I would love to hear it from you. Thank you.